I would say Franco-Spain, even Franco-Spain, Italy, one-party dictatorships. Of course, we have the word fascism from there. All right, then let's call it fascism, but then let's call Hitler's dictatorships by some other word, you know, because these are party dictatorships. And see, you see it immediately. If you want to apply it, you know, the one, as I see it, distinguishing feature is that the party immediately occupies the state apparatus. They put all their members into the government, whereas all totalitarian systems have two, or at least more, as effect, authorities: the party, the state, the elite group, the police, etc. You have always this proliferation, yeah? Whereas there you see that, and then you get new laws. But these laws are laws, they are not being changed. Whereas the laws in Russia, as well as in Stalin's Russia, as well as in Nazi Germany, as you know, could change from day to day. There was no law. And that is it's a great difference. And I assure you, for your own well-being as an individual, it's very unpleasant to live under a dictatorship or a tyranny or a one-party dictatorship, but it is paradise compared to living under a totalitarian dictatorship.